Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto. Yesterday, 24,000 people saw this idea. Bitcoin potential pullback, and it happened. Now this retest failed, and so Bitcoin has seen some downside, and potentially there's more left, and we're going to jump right into this. We're going to analyze Bitcoin. I've got some amazing altcoin setups towards the end of the video. We're going to make a ton of money in these altcoins. These NFT coins are freaking melting faces off. Crazy moves to the upside. Let's go. Before we analyze Bitcoin, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin tomorrow. All you have to do to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to pick a random comment over the last 7 days, and then I'm going to do it again. I'm giving away another $500 in Bitcoin. Like, it's become so easy to trade this market, and I've been making these quick scalps, like a couple $1,000 here and there. Like, dude, I'm just going to keep giving away Bitcoin. The Bitcoin daily chart. So Bitcoin ran up here, 61,500, got rejected. Now, just this previous resistance that became support didn't hold. Okay, so we got this bearish divergence that's possible. Like, there's further downside quite possible here. Okay, it's not going to necessarily happen in a day. I mean, it might, but let's look at the shorter term time frame. So if this $55,800 level doesn't hold, we're looking for 54,100, 50. There's going to be a ton of buys. I've got quite a few buys stacked here for picking up some Bitcoin. I mean, remember, we buy dips. We do not sell fear. We buy fear, right? Be a wolf, period. Now, perfectly normal to see a retrace back down here. Notice here, this is the previous high, right? 58,000. But then when the price action gets far away from this 200 simple moving average, it likes to come back down and retest it. And it did it twice here and then took off. So, I mean, it wouldn't be crazy to think, hey, you could see a move down here to $51,000, $52,000 Bitcoin. But what I do is, you know, maybe I'll buy 1 Bitcoin here. I'll buy 2 or 3 Bitcoins here. And if it goes any lower, I'll load up like 5 Bitcoins, right? Just depending. So you kind of scale your buys in because, you know, you don't know if it's going to get to that level, but you're offsetting losses after the bounce. Looking for $70,000, $75,000 Bitcoin on the next move higher. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, hey, thanks for mana. I'm up 0.3 Bitcoin in profit. I mean, Bitcoin's at 55,000. I mean, he's up $15,000, possibly even more on that trade. Mana, huge gains. This person, he made $3,900 profit in a day. Solid. This young lady, she made $7,900 on Dago. I gave you guys this setup. This gentleman, he said, in 1 month, you changed my life. I started with $150,000 in January. I lost about 40 grand and then found your channel. I went from $100,000 to $880,000 in 1 month. You said you make life-changing money. Best wishes from Greece. This is the biggest financial revolution and opportunity of our lifetimes right now, today, right now. Like, we've been waiting for this altcoin season for years. We've been waiting for these type of gains. Look at this setup down here, 164% profits in 11 days. We've been waiting for this. You do not want to look back a year from now and be like, man, I wish I would have made more money. I wish I would have taken full advantage of that. I can teach you everything we talk about. I can teach you how to trade this market, take profits, set stop losses. I'm going to give you the best, most profitable trading setups to be in all day long. That's all I do. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is OGN. I gave you guys this setup. OGN. So if you look, I announced in the group on March the 8th, I said, hey, this is an NFT. It's an NFT project. Watch this one. March the 8th. If you look where it pumped, here's the 8th right here. And it took off. Right, up 164% profits. Then this news came out. This news came out recently talking about how they're going to move into the NFT space, upcoming drops and product releases. I want you to start making a list of every NFT project that we talk about. Put it on your whiteboards. Buy these coins when Bitcoin pulls back. Load up on these coins. Like when you have a crazy run up like this right here, like it's going to retrace. This is the Dusk Network. There's a ton of news on Dusk. They've got a conference where they're going to share exciting news with partners coming April the 9th. There's a biannual report on April the 12th. There's an E2E release candidate on the 9th. And they've got a Block Explorer release coming at the end of the month on the 29th. So there's a ton of news. And also they came out with this news today. You want the news that moves the markets, right? I find this news all day long. That's all I do, search for news, right? And in the group, we got 4,700 people now posting relevant news. The Dusk Wallet's coming, the Block Explorer, Dusk Labs. Okay, so this Dusk Portal release is happening. I posted a Dusk setup in the trading group. Huge upside for Dusk. I want you guys to focus on NFT projects, right? Projects that announced they're going to move into the NFT space. Anything NFT is just continuing to move higher and pump. An example of this, Beeple. It just sold an NFT for $69 million. And he talks about other ways we can use this technology. NFT Hype, and I'm going to show you a chart on this in a second, is going to be similar to what we saw as far as DeFi Hype, right? So basically went on to state that people have just scratched the surface of these NFT tokens. The bulk of the focus around NFTs has been centered around art, digital art, memes, music, other collectibles. People could start minting NFTs for other things, such as buying a car, replacing the deed to a house, or even a college diploma. NFTs I think they have a use case in society. Absolutely they do. Amazing use case. DREP. Okay, so I've got this set up. Don't think I've given it to you guys yet. I've got it posted in the trading group. A surprise announcement. Those are always good. Surprise announcement for the upcoming DREP Secret Killer product. They're going to boost circulation of multi-asset NFTs. Find this setup. Chart this setup. So they're going to support ETH, Binance Smart Chain, which has been hot. Huge benefits for all DREP holders. DREP Killer product launch in 2 weeks. This thing's going to pump. Watch DREP. WAXP. I got this setup coming for you guys. I got some amazing NFT setups. WAXP has got partners. They're on Kucoin. Go to the Kucoin link in the description. Make a Kucoin account. You need no VPN needed, right? They have Street Fighter NFTs, Street Fighter 5, Tops, Atari, William Shatner, and many more. The king of NFTs, WAXP. I think they have Garbage Pail Kids, actually. WAXP is on Kucoin. Make a Kucoin account. Buy the breakout of this level, but there's a potential retest right now. All right, because you see this, as soon as I posted it, like this thing pumped. And then, it's retraced, but you could still get this retest out of this, right? And then you're ultimately buying the breakout up here. You could see 50 to 60% gains. I mean, look at this. You got rounded bottoms, pay the bills, and you got a couple of them, parabolic. And so what potentially could happen here? Same thing. This is Terra Virtua, right? Collecting Reinvented, right? And so they have this Twitch live stream happening on the 17th. So that'll bring some more focus on this projects. Also, and this is TVK. They also have King Kong versus Godzilla, right? Huge robots, monsters, whatever you love, wherever you want it. NFTs are the future of fandom. So they're creating these King Kong versus Godzilla NFTs. And they're also hiring, which is good because they're expanding, right? Always something to look forward to. TVK. So I posted this setup on Twitter. Make sure follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. The nice thing about Twitter is I can post things real quick, where YouTube video is like a 4-hour process. TVK. So we're up right now. I mean, there's 29% max gains. Looks like you had this. I'm trying to find entry for you guys. Essentially, you want to buy the breakout of this level now, TVK. So I gave you guys Rev on the 6th. Okay, so it's been 9 days. 9 days. And 32,000 people saw this video on Kucoin. Rev. Huge profits based on this setup. 130% gains out of Rev. Remember, Rev, they have, and I got a new setup on Rev coming for you guys. Rev has got this. So they've got the first motorsport NFTs that are going to drop on March the 26th. So you have this date. Everybody's excited about March the 26th. There's going to be exclusive drops for Rev holders. Rev holders are going to get NFTs. I mean, this is, people want these. People want, because a lot of the NFTs, like, you don't want to buy the expensive ones. You want to buy, you used to go maybe to the card store when you were younger and you picked up some baseball cards or Pokemon or whatever you collected, right? You want to get the coins before they get pulled out of the pack, right? You want to get the coins when they're common and people haven't bought them and raised the price when you sold them. And so here's the opportunity to do so, right? You don't want to buy these really expensive, because I mean, if they lose value, then you take a bunch of losses. But if you accumulate these NFTs for free or very low cost, then there's tons of upside and low risk. They also, Rev Token also has this Binance Smart Chain partnership. So we're going to go over the Rev setup real quick. This is Rev USDT. This breaks out to the upside. You would buy the breakout or potentially buy the retest. And you could see 50 cents Rev based on this idea. So, I mean, there's potentially 50% more profits that could take place on Rev. Huge. This is key. Look at this thing. Whenever you see these rounded bottoms, boy, they pay the bills. They go completely parabolic, and this is why I like them. The biggest, fastest gains in the shortest period of time. Self-key nailed this guy for 156% profits. Didn't take very long either. This was posted on the 9th, about 6 days, about a week. 150% profits. Huge. I mean, you hit a couple of these. Bitcoin's retracing. Oh, no. These altcoins, apparently they didn't get the memo. Key had some NFT news as well. That's the commonality here. So we nailed the DeFi boom, right? Back in the beginning of 2021, right? End of December, DeFi was kind of moving sideways. And then I said, hey, can DeFi perp break out here? Green circle. And then it did. And then there was this triangle, this bull pennant. If DeFi perp breaks above this level, grab some DeFi altcoins, right? So from there, DeFi went crazy. This is potentially what's happening with these NFT coins. And I think we're right in this area. Nowhere near the peak. A lot of people are going to say, hey, NFT coins are a bubble. Well, you know what? There's a lot of bubbles out there. The key is you just have to recognize and take profits. And that's what... I can help you do that. Teach you how to take profits, teach you how to lock in gains, teach you how to midterm hold these coins and sell these swings. I can teach you all this. Check out my trading group. But the point is, NFT, this is DeFi perps. This is a basket of 25 DeFi coins. So what I'm saying is the same type situation is happening right now with NFT projects. So focus on the NFT projects. Here's AVA. Of course, I can't get these videos out fast enough sometimes. Originally, it was the breakout here. You got some volume coming in. We'll just slide it up a little bit. There's some resistance right here. Buy the breakout of this level. We're already in profits. The advantage of being in the trading group is obviously you get to get the coins before they pump. Because as soon as I post them, I mean, they start moving. That's just how it works. So keep an eye on AVA. This is Travala. Huge gains, 50% or more gains out of AVA. You guys remember Engine? NFT project. Listen, 79,500 subscribers. I only need 500 subscribers to hit 80,000. Smash that subscribe button. I'm giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys about this on the 14th. 67% profits. All right, so here's the updated ENJ setup. So Bitcoin keeps pulling back and moving and potentially shaking up the altcoin market. What I want you to do is watch for a retest at this level. Watch for a retest. So you're looking for a bounce. Essentially, you'd buy the bounce of this level for Engine. Now, Engine's got some news, right? They have a new game, Age of Rust, Season 1 coming out. You can unlock the mysteries of a post-apocalyptic sci-fi universe. So what's cool is you've got these non-fungible tokens, NFTs. They're going to be utilized in exciting ways, from bestowing special abilities to unlocking secret areas. So the idea here is these NFTs allow you to do a lot of things in game. For example, there are these crypto puzzles. They require certain blockchain-based inventory, and they can issue crypto rewards. For example, you can find 4 Bitcoin, and there's all these ENJ NFT bounties. So you're going to play this game, and there's 35,000 NFTs you can get from playing this game, from solving these puzzles. Dude, what an amazing... People are seeing like, oh, dude, these $69 million NFTs are selling, and you can have a chance at picking up. Remember what we talked about, the playing card idea? Like, you want to get the NFTs that are potentially rare, but you're not buying them for thousands of dollars initially, right? So there's that downside. So you want to, do a little bit of work to accumulate these NFTs, and this is a great idea, right? There's also a treasure hunt where there's 20 Bitcoins worth of rewards. Like, this is going to be hot. Age of Rust. Okay, so keep an eye on this idea out of Engine. It just makes me want to play it, and I don't even have time to play games. But I want to run around and collect some NFTs. I mean, think about it. Think about it. You have to have that feeling right now. Think about it right now. Just going over this story right here. You have to want to play this game. You have to want to pick up some NFTs. All of a sudden, you're FOMOing into these games. Like, what a great way to create hype for these new games that are coming out. Like this, I think, gosh, this has huge possibilities. We talk about mainstream adoption for these cryptos, and it's like these NFTs, it just seems like they're going to leapfrog a lot of these cryptos. Watch. AXS. So here's what we're looking for. And so I gave you guys this setup yesterday, right? And so this setup's up about 15%. Pulled back now. Now it's at this previous resistance or support level here. So you want to buy the breakout. AXS is Axie Infinity. It's an NFT project. We're focusing on NFTs. We want this NFT run to continue. This thing, you have to assume that this parabola continues higher and the price action respects it until it doesn't. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.